Relationship with nature, a deep healing meditation. This meditation helps you reconnect with the earth, the trees, the water, the sky, and all living beings, restoring harmony, peace, and deep inner healing through unity with nature. Find a peaceful place to sit or lie down. Allow yourself to become still. Close your eyes. Let the world fall away. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. With each breath, feel yourself grounding, softening, and relaxing. Now imagine you are in the middle of a beautiful natural place. A forest, a meadow, or a sacred mountain. This place feels ancient, alive, and safe. You are home. Feel the earth beneath you. Visualize gentle roots extending from your body deep into the soil. Feel the earth's wisdom, stability, and support rising into you. You are not separate. You are part of the earth. Silently repeat, I honor the earth. I am one with her strength, her love, her healing. Now feel a soft breeze around you. It caresses your skin and flows through your hair. This is the breath of the earth. The air that connects all living beings. Breathe in deeply and feel it entering your body. Cleansing, revitalizing. Silently affirm, I breathe with the trees, the skies, the birds. I am in harmony with life. Now visualize a nearby stream or ocean. Listen to the sound of water, flowing, dancing, alive. See yourself walking into a clear stream. The cool water surrounds you. It washes away all pain, stress, and heaviness. Whisper in your heart, I flow with the rivers of life. I release all resistance. I allow healing to flow through me. As you return to the earth, you notice a small fire gently burning. This is the sacred fire of life, passion, and transformation. Feel its warmth, not burning but nurturing. It lights the flame of vitality within you. Silently speak. The fire within me awakens my purpose, my energy, my healing. Look up at the vast sky, endless, open, free. Let your awareness rise into the open space above. Feel your worries dissolve like clouds. You are infinite. You are connected to all that is. Whisper within, I am spacious, limitless. Open to all possibilities. I am at peace with the universe. Now bring your hands to your heart. Feel the presence of all elements, earth, air, water, fire, and sky within you. You are not separate from nature. You are nature. You are the trees. You are the rivers. You are the stars. Let your heart say, "Dear nature, I return to you." I trust you. I walk with you. Heal me. Guide me. Hold me. Feel immense gratitude rising in you. Thank the earth for holding you. Thank the wind for breathing with you. Thank the water for cleansing you. Thank the fire for empowering you. Thank the sky for freeing you. Feel a deep sense of peace, calm, and connection. Healing has already begun. Gently begin to return to your breath. Feel your body supported by the earth. Move your finger, your toes, roll your shoulders and bring your palms together at your heart. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carrying with you the sacred bond between your heart and the living world.